Poo-poo evil.
I got the bathroom. John! I got bathroom. I need to get rid of some resources.
I wanna go to.
No, it's privacy. Ever heard of that? Yeah, I don't think you have because you don't have a very good vocabulary. I'll be back. Gotta release this stuff, man. Oh!
Get up!
You okay, man?
You poo-poo. It's got me.
I know. Here goes the poo-poo virus. Hello? Are you okay, Jay? Jay? Oh no.
He's gone.
You have poo-poo virus?
Yeah. He's freaking me out, man. He's just freaking me out.
Oh no, you poo-pooed. What the? He's covered in mess. He's gonna get me. The end of Poo Poo Pirate.